Dance with Don. That's the new thing. Okay, Don, can I dance with you?
Oh, yeah, you can dance with me. But not on television.
Not on television, huh? Oh, okay. Oh, that's a date.
No, shit, you can dance me anywhere you want, man. You think I could come up that Soul Chain line? All righty, here we go.
That stole the money your dad left when he died. Your son is really your brother. I hosted an orgy and you weren't invited, but you love me nothing above me. Ridiculous, this shit is shit, but I'm glad I'm receiving, because this man I got his ass ain't leaving. I clogged the toilet and left and you took me back. I gave you herpes simplex and you gave